If you're a startup founder, this video is for you because a new AI is going to be popular in the field of artificial intelligence. Facing a latest update, a new model with a less parameter can work as a top models which are existing today. The name of the model is Nanbiege 1.3b. It is just a 3 billion parameter models, but it can reason and output like top models. I will discuss about it as well as the benchmark of this model. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I bring regularly AI-related videos on my channel. So by subscribing, you can stay updated and stay tuned. Here you can see the benchmarks. First of all, it has shown various types of benchmarks. For example, in the scientific fields, alignment, deep research, and tool use. In all, it beat its top models such as Gemini, and it is performing pretty well. The green color you can see, it is the response of Nanbiege, and it is completely, this model is completely open source, so you can use in your own custom models or custom startup, or you can host on your own server. This model is hosted or deployed the entire source code on Hugging Face, so you can just prefer Hugging Face for using this model. But this model is completely insane for any type of reasoning task, and it can answer like a top models which are existing today. For example, if we compare this, we can easily compare this model with a top model such as Google Gemini Flash. I hope so most of you are familiar with that model, and it has pretty well accuracy, 80% accuracy, and this model is approximately better than DeepSeek R1. Although you know that DeepSeek R1 is approx 20 billions and above, but at 3 billion parameters, what you can expect? This model is performing completely insane. Just with 3 billion parameters, it can give the output like a top models. Here you can see, if you compare with comparison with Queen models, Queen 3-4 billion parameters, as well as the Queen 30 billion parameters models, it is completely similar to it in every benchmark. Although in mathematical reasoning it is performing pretty well, and in scientific reasoning stuff also, and in tool use and coding also, it is ranking 7th on LLM Studio and LLM Arena, the latest open source model, for performing pretty well, which is completely insane. And this benchmark also defines the power of this model. If you compare with the Gemini or Queen 30 billion parameters, it is completely 10 times smaller than the top model Queen 30 billion parameters models of Alibaba, if you know about it. So if you compare with that model with this, it is completely insane. You can see this type of architecture is used in it. There is a student model and there is a type of teacher model. So teacher model is a pro version, and they have trained this student model on it. Means teacher model try to train again and again in a loop, and then try to reduce the size of this model with the help of this, and passes the training data for performing and making the model completely better, and due to which it was capable to find a specific type of weights related to that questions and queries, and that's why it is capable to compress the pro version of this model into a less version of this model. This is completely insane, and this is sequence level architecture it uses. But yeah, we can think this model can be pretty cool for performing any type of automation stuff, and for your early startups it can be pre-hosted on your custom servers. You can see here solution refinement, teacher done right, instruction evolution with a checklist, and it tried to critic and refinement. This critic is a essential part because it tried to reason, and if the answer is wrong, it tried the 3 billion parameter models. What we can expect? This type of features it provides. So that's why I try to prefer to make a video related to this Nanbiege, because this is a completely insane model. Here you can see the pipeline which they use. They also use the reinforcement learning and robust reward system for trying to improve the model, as well as digitalization for making the large model into a small model. And this general conversation agent, it can easily reason as well as like a general conversation, and it is also efficient solving in top math problems, which makes this model completely multi-model with all type of functionality, reasoning, agentic, as well as the small in a size, as well as the reward system for reinforcement learning it uses. But yeah, this model is completely insane. I hope so love this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your various friends. See you next video with latest topic. So bye bye and take care.